So welcome to another video on news trading. On this video we talk about the impact of GDP on GBPUSD on Thursday. So on Thursday at 8 p.m. we had GDP being released. As you can clearly see, we have it's a high impact news. We can see that the MOM was minus 0.1, which was better than the consensus and also the previous, but the GDP YOY was minus 0.2 and the GDP QOQ was negative. You can see that the news was negative compared to the consensus. So let's see what it did to GDP on that particular day. So let's go all the way to Thursday. This is Thursday. So at 8 p.m. on Thursday, you can see that GBPUSD actually hit a double top formation in this particular area because it was a kind of like a sell zone here, but when it was going down, when it was dropping down, the news caused it to drop all the way to this particular area. Let's calculate the pips. This is a news candle. You can see 8 p.m. it dropped all the way to this particular area. That's in the first 5 minutes. You can see the first 5 minutes was 22 pips. Let's say 21.7 pips. The first 5 minutes candle. What happened? Then we had a pullback, a sharp pullback to this area. It dropped down again. It went up a little bit, then it pulled back down to this particular area. So what happened was that the impact of the negative news caused the market to fall from this particular level, that's 1.5679, all the way to this particular level. So you can see that total is 25 pips. That's what the market fell in that particular direction. That's around 850, right? So let's say it fell all the way from 8, it fell all the way to the London Open, that's at 9 p.m. before price started moving in a bullish direction. So the news had a negative impact on the market because the GDP was the YOY and the QOQ was negative. So this is a 1 minute time frame for clearer entries. You can see that the news dropped all the way to this particular area. Then we had a sharp pullback. The market was doubling, so the market formed a technical resistance around this area. So price will drop, go to this area. First time it will pull back, it goes again to this area. Second time it pull back, then it went there. The third time it now fell all the way down to this area. So the overall reaction is that the first candle will be bearish. When you see the first candle bearish, we have to wait for the resistance. When you see the market resisting the first time, the second time, we should start looking for sell entries, because the third time the market may resist and fall all the way down to this particular area. So if you had kind of like sold in this area, you will have made some good money all the way to London Open. So that was the impact of the news on GBPUSD. You can see that the news was bearish and it caused the market to fall 25 pips in the bearish direction. So that's it for this particular video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and use our regulated broker. I will leave the links in the description. Thanks for watching.